Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Goldwing tires is probably one of the most important decisions a Goldwing owner will make, impacting everything from handling and stability to braking performance and overall ride comfort. Choosing the right tires ensures a safe and enjoyable riding experience, maximizing the potential of your Goldwing and contributing to its longevity. This video will explore the key factors to consider when selecting tires for your Goldwing, helping you make an informed decision based on your riding style and preferences. Number 5. Bridgestone Excedra G704R. This tire is designed for a smooth, comfortable ride. It's built to handle the demands of touring motorcycles. It's a radial touring tire, providing superior stability and control. Experience enhanced performance on both dry and wet roads. The unique tread pattern ensures reliable grip and handling. It's engineered for consistent performance in various conditions. It's specifically designed for today's American-style touring bikes. Enjoy a confident and comfortable ride on long journeys. It's the original equipment tire for the Honda GL 1800 Goldwing. Experience the quality and performance that Honda trusts. This tire delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind on every ride. With a size of 180/60/16, it's the perfect fit for many touring motorcycles. Find the right size for your bike and enjoy the ride. What we like. It's a radial touring tire designed for optimal performance on dry and wet roads. It's the original equipment for a popular touring bike, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you value a smooth, dependable ride and are looking for an OEM quality replacement, this is the tire for you. What people say. This tire is recommended by Honda for the 2012 Goldwing. I have used these tires before and had no issues. They ride nice and handle well. I replaced a set of Dunlops with these. The G701 front tire is the mate to this rear model. This review should be taken as applying to the set, not just the rear tire. I was very surprised at the improvement in steering, handling and general confidence-inducing stability these tires offer over the previous tires. With 1,500 miles on them, they seem to be wearing well. Number 4. Dunlop D404 motorcycle tire. This tire is designed for a variety of older motorcycles and cruisers. It offers a great combination of long life and excellent grip. It fits many older bike models. This tire is a perfect replacement for your aging cruiser. The tread compound provides a balance between mileage and road grip. You'll enjoy both long life and confident handling. Get more miles out of your rides with this tire's durable construction. It's built to last. Experience confident handling in various conditions. It provides excellent traction for a safe and enjoyable ride. It's a perfect fit for Honda Goldwing Aspen K GL 1500A models from 1991 to 2000. Upgrade your ride with this reliable tire. What we like. This tire boasts an expanded size range, making it suitable for a variety of older bikes and cruisers. It offers a great balance of mileage and grip, perfect for those who prioritize long-lasting performance. If you own an older model and need a reliable, long-lasting tire, this is a great option. What people say. I'm happy to say that this tire exceeds expectations. I like the way it looks and functions well. It's a good tire and works perfect for my motorcycle. Lasted very long and worked well for me. Number 3. Shinko 733/734 Goldwing Tire Kit. Upgrade your classic Honda Goldwing with this premium tire combo. It's designed for a smooth, reliable ride. This kit includes both front and rear tires, specifically sized to fit 1988 to 2000 Honda GL 1500 Goldwing models. Enjoy a precise fit and superior performance. The front tire offers exceptional grip and handling, ensuring a confident ride on any road surface. It's built to last. Experience enhanced stability and traction with the rear tire. It's engineered for optimal performance and durability. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, making it a simple upgrade for your motorcycle. Get back on the road quickly. These tires provide superior handling and a smooth, comfortable ride. Enjoy the open road with peace of mind. What we like. This is a cost-effective combo kit including both front and rear tires. It's specifically designed to fit older Goldwing models, offering a convenient and budget-friendly solution. If you're on a budget and need to replace both tires on your classic Goldwing, this kit is a smart choice. What people say. A good tour tire highly recommended. I am very happy with the traction, handling and smooth ride. It feels like the rear tire takes the bumps much better than the old 180, it's a good buy. Good quality tire. I have used these tires on 2 different Honda Goldwings with no problems at all. Number 2. Bridgestone G709 Exedra Touring. This tire is specifically designed for today's American-style touring motorcycles. It provides a smooth and comfortable ride, perfect for long journeys. Experience superior handling and control with its advanced tread pattern. It's built to last, ensuring a long lifespan and reliable performance. It's the ideal replacement tire for your Honda Goldwing GL 1800, 2001 to 2008. Enjoy the perfect fit and optimal performance. It provides excellent grip in various conditions, enhancing your safety and confidence on the road. Ride with peace of mind, knowing you have reliable traction. This tire is built to withstand the demands of long-distance touring. Enjoy a smooth and reliable ride for many miles to come. It's the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and durability. Make it your trusted companion on every adventure. What we like. It's specifically made for American-style touring motorcycles, providing a superior ride. It's designed as a direct replacement for a specific Goldwing model, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you own a specific Goldwing model and demand a precise fit and excellent performance, this is the tire for you. What people say. It turns noticeably better with this 709 and is quieter too. It has deeper tread too, so I am expecting better wear. This tire is recommended by Honda for the Goldwing. So far the tire is wearing fine. Number 1. Bridgestone G851 Exedra Cruiser. Experience superior control. It delivers exceptional grip on wet and dry surfaces, keeping you confident on the road. Ride with confidence at any speed. Its unique construction provides high-speed stability and a smoother, more comfortable ride. Enjoy a smoother ride. It absorbs shocks effectively, reducing fatigue on long journeys. It's designed for long rides and demanding conditions. It's the perfect choice for your motorcycle adventures. It fits a range of popular motorcycle models. Check compatibility to see if it's right for your bike. This advanced compound provides superior grip and performance. Experience the difference of a high-quality tire. What we like. This tire features silica-enriched compound for exceptional grip in various conditions. Its construction provides high-speed stability and improved shock absorption for a comfortable ride. If you prioritize superior grip, stability, and a smooth ride, especially at higher speeds, then this tire is worth considering. What people say. These tires last long for a motorcycle. Mine lasted for 13,000 miles and still had tread. I bought this tire for my 03 Goldwing because the Dunlop Elite 4 was unavailable everywhere. So far this tire has rode great and feels great on the road. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.